Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bombardino Crocodilo from Italian Brainrot. So first we're going to get started with the face. So for the nose on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and across on the side. From that corner now, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back through. Stepping over again, arching this line up. And then one more time, just curving this line down, up, and then over towards the middle. For the nostril now, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the side. Coming up from here for the eye, we're going to arch this line up and then down. And then on the top to close this off, we're going to curve this line through and over in the corner. And then behind this, just another small arch line. Let's draw on our eye now. So we're going to curve this line up and over. And then from that corner, we're just going to draw in a small circle connecting that over towards the side. For the pupil now, we're going to arch this line down and in towards the bottom of our page. And then in the top right hand corner, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. Let's draw in the rest of the mouth now. So first we're going to start from that corner. We're going to curve this line down, over, and through. From that corner again, we're going to curve this line around and then up for the chin. And then again, one more time as we come all the way over and up. Now let's draw in the teeth. So we're going to draw in a triangle on the left. We're going to come over on the right and replicate that. We're going to move across, drawing in another triangle. One in the middle, making that smaller. Now we're going to draw in two small ones as we come over. Now again, we're just going to draw in three small triangles as we move over towards the right. Let's do the same on the bottom. So we're going to bring this line up and down. We're going to draw in two small triangles as we move over on the right. And then again, we're going to draw in a big one. Let's continue to move over now, drawing in four smaller triangles, finishing up our teeth. Now behind here, we're just going to curve this line up, and then on the inside, arching this line down. Let's move over on the side now and draw in one of the propellers. So we're gonna start on the side here, drawing in a small circle. On the top now, let's curve this line up and then down on the right. We'll move across on the right hand side, replicating that shape. And then one more time on a diagonal as we move down. Now on the top, let's curve this line over. We'll continue to bring this line around and through, creating a circle in towards the bottom. Now on the top, let's keep this line going. So we're going to arch this line around, back in, and we're going to bring this underneath, connecting that together. And then from here, we're going to curve this line down, extending that through on the bottom, connecting that together. Now let's close off the top of the body. So we're going to bring this line straight through. And then we're going to draw in a similar shape as we just did. So we're going to bring this line out, curving this line in. And now we're going to extend this all the way to the chin. So we're going to start back on this line here, blending that together. And we're just going to curve this all the way up and in towards our chin. Now from the top, let's curve this line down and in towards the bottom. Now let's move in towards the top of our head, and we're going to draw in a nice big dome. On the top, below the eye here, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to curve a line that comes over again. In the middle, arching this up, stepping over on the right, replicating that. We'll do the same on the left, and then once more on the side. Now from here on the top, for one of the wings, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. For the tail, let's curve this line up and then down. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another propeller. So coming underneath the chin, we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's arch the sign up on either side. Now on the right, we're going to curve the sign down, back in on the bottom, and then again on the left. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small curved line. Continue to extend that through to create a circle. Again, one more time, arching this line around and then through. And then now on the bottom, we're going to curve the sign across and then in. Let's draw in the next wing. So we're going to curve the sign around, bringing this all the way underneath in towards the bottom of the body. And that is it. That's how you draw Bombardino Crocodilo. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.